What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. We got the Nitrous hooked up in the Fox body, fixing to take it out to the street, make a quick hit. My window switch is not connected, so I'm sending the old girl naked. We just running 150 shot, timing set to 10 degrees. Car's warmed up, bottle pressure is where it needs to be. So let's do it. That was violent. Okay, so I made the hit. It was amazing. Man, it's just something about nitrous. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I've never had a supercharger, but, you know, so I can't speak on that. But nitrous is so violent, and I think that's what I like about it, because it is violent. So we got the nitrous all tested out. That's working. It's working good on a 150 shot. I don't think I'm going to change it back up to a 175. That's kind of pushing it. But what I am going to do different next time, I'm not going to run the window switch. So we are going to be shooting the nitrous off the hit. I'm going to try that. If that don't work, I'll reconnect it and switch back up. It only takes a minute. Now, some of you that come for the Corvette content, it's coming. It's coming. So I just put down a deposit to get nitrous on the Vette. Yes. So I am getting nitrous on the Vette. I'm getting that leak fixed, getting the oil change. I ain't done that. Everything that was wrong, I'm getting it fixed. I'm getting the nitrous, the works. I ain't playing around with that one. It's costing a good amount of money, but at the same time, it's a lot less cheaper a supercharger initially. And for the amount of times that I go to the track, it'll be cheaper for a long time because I don't go there that much. I just like to have fun. So when I'm in the mood, I go. So yes, the Vette is getting nitrous. And also, I like nitrous, and it's cool to have two nitrous cars. I don't know. I just kind of like that. But what's most important, if you remember in a previous video, I was talking about selling the Mustang in order to get nitrous for the Vette. Well, I'm keeping both. So we're going to have a nitrous Fox body and a nitrous Vette. I'm going to start putting more love in the Fox body, getting it ready. I'm going to get a Mako paint job. We're going to do all of that over. I'm going to redo the brakes eventually. I want to do that. And eventually, I'll probably put a 351 in it. But won't do that right now because we're focusing on putting the funds into the Vette. So I'm going to start out at 100 shot. It's going to be tuned for 100 shot. And then I'll just kind of keep increasing the pills up to a 200 shot on the Vette. Reason why I'm going with a 200 shot is because I am getting a standalone fuel cell as well. So, I'm doing it big for the channel. So we're going to have some content coming with the Vette. It's coming. It's going to be some pretty good content. But in the meantime, we got the Fox body running good. So check this out. So when I was putting the nitrous on the Fox body, right, I had it on, I started it up. It was idling horrible. It wouldn't even say started. I'm like, man, how could that affect how it's starting? So I spent 2 days. I didn't film none of it, but I spent 2 days chasing that start problem. Only to remember, as I was looking at something else, I'm hearing a noise. Because what I did as well was replace a vacuum line on the intake. So I'm over there by that vacuum line thinking, well, maybe I didn't put that on good. And I'm hearing this. I'm like, what is that? So I start putting my hands up into the open ports on the intake. Lo and behold, I connected the hose to the wrong outlet on my GT40 intake. That's what was causing the problem. Need I say that I had been adjusting the TPS, my idle screw. I was doing all of this stuff. So then I just had to reset everything to 0 and do a base auto reset. And man, I'm so glad that happened in a way, because that base idle reset has my car is idling better than it ever did. something good came out of something bad, and I'm liking the old Fox body. I need to do an oil change. I'm gonna do that next. I got to get that done. I need to get my inspection done and get it registered again, and we ready to go. We ready to go. I think I'm gonna probably leave this passenger seat in. I don't know. We'll see how much weight. Kind of like it in. It's either that or I am going to get a better race seat. Maybe some Carbos or something like that, or maybe a Kirby. Probably a Kirby. You gotta have a Kirby. But anyway, this your boy Jay Reed Love. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.